Hello, thanks for listening to this introduction. I am Ken Hoy, H-A-U-G-H-E-Y, but it's pronounced H-O-Y, like Hoy. I am from Woodstock, Georgia, and teach right around the corner from me at Etowah High School. Both of my kids have gone there. My daughter is currently a junior there, and I am her cross-country coach as well. I teach biology, honors biology, regular biology, and inclusion biology, and an inclusion Earth Systems class. It's my first year teaching Earth Systems, so that's been interesting. I've taught for a total of 23 years, 13 of which at middle school in life science. The other 10 at high school, 5 of which being at Blessed Trinity Catholic High School in Roswell, and the other 5 being in Cherokee County. This being my first year at Etowah, I was the first 4 years at Creekview up in Canton. So it's been an interesting change because I've had to move my portfolio project to a new school, which has made it a little bit interesting. We have a KSU family. My son is currently taking civil engineering at Kennesaw. My undergrad and grad degrees are from Kennesaw, and my wife's degree is from Kennesaw. My family loves to be outdoors. Next weekend we might go to the top of Blood Mountain and offer trail magic to the folks doing the Appalachian Trail, as that's something we love to do. We love caving, camping, hiking, being out on the lake. Something that scares me, perhaps the level of the lake right now. It's incredibly high and it's slated to rain for the next couple weeks, so something to watch out for. Thanks for taking the time to watch this.